Cheers to Chef Sheila.
Hi everyone, Chef Sheila here. September is Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, and I have with me today my friend Kennedy Greenaway, and we will be making an appetizer or snack using a fruit known for promoting prostate health.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Sheila, for having me on the show today.
There are many foods which are known to boost the overall health of the prostate, including tomatoes, which we'll be using in today's simple recipe, tomato bruschetta. Making the bruschetta is as easy as 1, 2, 3. That even Kennedy, who claims to know little about the kitchen, will be able to do it. We're going to need a few pieces of French bread or bread of your choice, tomatoes, purple onion, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, some fresh basil, grated garlic, and salt. Place all ingredients in a medium bowl except the bread. Mix until combined. Allow to marinate in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Mix at least once while it is chilling. Now it's time to assemble our bruschetta. We're going to lightly toast our bread, then add our tomato mixture on top and enjoy.
As a prostate cancer survivor, it is very important for me to ensure that I give my body the proper nutrition, vitamins, and antioxidant that it needs. It was a wonderful day. Thanks for being here. Bye.
I am Chef Sheila, and this has been another MBS Prevention Unit Virtual Healthy Salad Bar. See you soon!